Hello, this is Patrick Corcoran, and this is my week 15 coding assignment. This is the pet store application, and we're diving a little further into the REST application side of it. And this week we were tasked with adding employee, adding a customer, printing out a list of all of the pet stores, and deleting a pet store, and also finding a pet store by a particular ID. So as you can see with the controller here, we've added a whole bunch of calls for that. Adding employee to a store, adding a customer to a store, retrieving all the pet stores, retrieving a pet store by ID. There's one here for deleting all pet stores, and we're basically not allowing that, throwing an exception. And then another one where we delete the pet store by a given ID. We have all of the new methods here in the service layer that do all of the calls into the data access object to actually perform those actions. And we have two new DAO pieces, one for employee here and another one for customer. All right, so let's get this up and running. And that's good. And we'll go over here and we'll add a new pet store. All right, we have pet store ID 6. It's going to pretty much kind of be a copy of the previous one, but I just want one that I can manipulate, add stuff to, and not worry when I delete it later. So first we will add a couple employees to the pet store. So we're going to add this to store number 6. We'll just add a couple of those, and then we'll add some customers also to store number 6, I guess ID 6. And we can make a get call to 6. We have there. And we can also do this where it pulls all of our pet stores, right? We can see that over here too. And we also look it up in the Beaver. All right, so I added a whole bunch of Jerry's here. I'll to store ID 6, bunch of customer IDs. And we can see on the pet store customer table that they were all added to pet store ID 6, which is the one in 9000 North Main in Tuscaloosa. Then we can go back in here and we can do a delete on store 6. Deletion is successful. And let's go back in to Beaver and remove the store. Customers stayed. The employees were removed, but the linking tables from pet store customer were removed properly. And that is everything needed for this week. Thank you very much.